friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today I came with one more VIP question, long answer question from pair of straight lines. Question is, show that the product of the perpendicular distances from the point origin means 0, 0, to the pair of straight lines represented by ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 is mod cy root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Already related to this but short equation represented by ax² plus 2hxy plus by² is equals to 0. Related to that I have uploaded. One is related to angle, another one is related to same product of perpendicular distances. Denominator related to denominator, same to same. So this is the third one. So my dear students, listen, please learn. You will get success. Okay. So first of all, biggest one, let represented by ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 means you can consider like this: L1x plus m1y plus n1 equal to 0. Second one, L2x plus m2y plus n2 is equal to 0. Only ax² plus 2hxy plus by² is equal to 0. If you have like that, only you can take it L1x plus m1y equal to 0, L2x plus m2y is equal to 0. If you have like this big equation, you can consider L1x plus m1y plus n1 equal to 0, L2x plus m2y plus n2 is equals to 0. So now we can multiply like this. Consider ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to L1x plus m1y plus n1 into L2x plus m2y plus n2. Okay, only consideration is like this. These two are the pair of straight lines. The remaining procedure will be same. Now normal multiplication. L1 into L2, x into x, x square. After that L1 m2 x into y, xy. After that L1 n2 x plus next m1 y. Right serial L2 m1 xy. After that m1 m2 y square. After that m1 n2 y. After that n1 से multiply करना L2 n1 x plus m2 n1 y plus n1 n2. According to this equation you can arrange the values. So first of all, L1 L2 x square. After that xy term. So xy term you are having two terms. Xy common, the remaining value is L1 m2 plus L2 m1 xy. After that y square term. So single term m1 m2 y square. After that x term. We are having x terms two values. Take x common, we get remaining value L1 n2 plus L2 n1 x. Next y term, we are having two terms. So common y, the remaining value m1 n2 plus m2 n1 into y. After that, the constant term plus n1, n2. Okay, my dear students, comparing x square terms on both sides, we get a is equals to L1, L2. Next, comparing xy terms, we get 2h is equals to L1, M2 plus L2, M1. Next, comparing y square coefficients. Comparing y square coefficients, we get b is equals to M1, M2. Next, comparing x coefficients. X coefficient 2g equal to, here x coefficient is L1 N2 plus L2 N1. Later, comparing y coefficient, that is comparing y coefficients, 2f is equals to M1 N2 plus M2 N1. Last constant term comparing, we get c is equals to N1 N2. As it is, you can comparing on both sides, you get values. After that, what is our question? Once you will go to question. The length of the product of perpendicular distances, or the product of the perpendicular distances means, like previous question, perpendicular distance from the origin you can use. Okay, so first of all, the length of, individually you can use the length of the perpendicular distances, perpendicular distance from origin. Origin means O 0, 0 to the straight lines. First straight line is L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equals to 0. Is, let it be take D1 is equal to, first of all write formula, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Like this formula from 10th class concept you can use. So here L1 is L1 only into x. Here origin 0, 0 means x, y. X is 0 plus m1 into y value is 0 plus n1 whole divided by root over L1 square plus M1 square. Okay, so next 0 into something 0. Okay, 0 into something 0. The remaining value is mod N1 divided by root over L1 square plus M1 square. After completing this part, second straight line we can consider. Again you can write the length of the perpendicular distances, the length of the perpendicular distance from the origin. Why? Because they have given you in the question. Origin means 0, 0 to the straight line, second straight line L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal to 0 is, let it be take D2. So same to same formula, mod ax² plus by² plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is the formula. Like this you can use mod L2 into x value is 0 plus m2 into y value is 0 plus n2 divided by root over L2 square plus m2 square. So 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. Remaining value is mod n2 divided by root over L2 square plus m2 square. So first we have completed perpendicular distance from origin to the first straight line, the perpendicular distance from the origin to the second straight line. After this, according to our problem, product of the perpendicular distances means you can multiply. Okay, you can multiply these two values, d1 and d2 values you can multiply. First of all, write these values. D1 into D2. D1 into D2. First of all, D1 value mod N1. Numerator to numerator you can multiply. Mod N2 divided by denominator to denominator you can multiply. Root L1 square plus M1 square into root over L2 square plus M2 square. At a time you can multiply numerator to numerator values, denominator to denominator values. So mod into mod, at a time you can write only one, mod n1 n2 divided by root over root a into root b is root to a into b. At a time only one root, that is root L1 square plus M1 square into root L2 square plus M2 square. So numerator don't disturb, only denominator you can simplify like previous one. Okay, so mod you can write as it is, mod n1 n2 from numerator as it is, denominator multiplication L1 square into L2 square plus L1 square into M2 square plus like these two values and write serial L2 square M1 square plus M1 square M2 square. Okay, so next individually both powers we are having square. So while you are having like this, you can write mod n1 n2 divided by root over L1 square L2 square is L1 L2 whole square. Okay, place write last value first. M1 square M2 square is M1 M2 whole square. After that middle two terms, L1 square M2 square is L1 M2 whole square plus L2 square M1 square is L2 M1 whole square. Okay, after this one important step is add and subtract with 2L1 L2 M1 M2 from denominator inside of the root only. Add and subtract with 2L1 L2 M1 M2, that to denominator inside of the root only. Why? Because related to answer. Okay, my dear students. Okay, continue. First numerator as it is you can write it. Numerator is mod n1 n2. Numerator don't disturb, divided by root over as it is L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square. First you can subtract. Okay, first you can subtract, means minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. Okay, after that place L1 M2 whole square place L2 M1 whole square. Now add with. So here already subtraction completed. Next addition. Place 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. So after this simplify. Numerator value mod n1 n2 same as it is. Okay, divided by root over. This is look like a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is a minus b whole square. L1 L2 minus m1 m2 whole square. After that last values look like x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y whole square, that is L1 m2 plus L2 m1 whole square. So now you can substitute the values according to starting. So we have multiplied now. So comparing with x square coefficients, xy coefficients, y square coefficients and constant terms. These values we wanted to use. Okay, n1 n2 is c, m1 m2 is b, l1 l2 is a. xy term is 2h is equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1. These values you can substitute here. So we get mod N1 N2 is mod C divided by root over L1 L2 is A minus M1 M2 is B whole square plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2H whole square. So mod C divided by root over A minus B whole square plus 2H whole square is 4H square is the required answer for this problem. Okay, for this theorem, as your wish, the theorem or problem. Product of the perpendicular distances from the origin to the pair of straight lines represented by ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is mod c by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. From denominator, root a minus b whole square plus 4h square related to this value. 3 theorems are there from our textbook, Telugu Academy textbook. So please follow my method. You will understand. 100% sure success will come to you. My dear students, if you are satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel Aims Dare to Success. If you wanted to get like this or different type of VIP long answer questions, short answer questions, very short answer questions and competitive exams type Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, India wide competitive exams, short tricks are there, questions wise, chapter wise, subject wise. I mean 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, chapter wise, subject wise. So many super short tricks are available in our Aims Dare to Success playlist. Okay, please go through those all questions. 100% sure success will come to you. I explained all these short tricks and board exams questions also with neat and cute step by step explanation, logic with my magic explanation, so you can understand easily. So study is one of the part in our life, my dear students. Please don't neglect studies in your life. So follow with my explanation. Please share to your friends. Support with us, like and comment to this video. If you have any doubt according to intermediate mathematics level, please ask me question in comment box. I will explain with coming video. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.